What's up guys, it's Winstonee back this week to give you guys a brand new video. Now last week I said I would show you guys this week how I got my twists like this. I did it myself, so don't judge my hair. Even though this video might only be a few minutes long, trust me, like these twists literally took me all day. I have a short attention span, and so, you know, I kind of was twisting, and I stopped twisting, went to go do something else, then continued to twist. So it was literally an all-day process. Yeah, so this is the process, and this is what I did to get my twists.
So the items I'll be using today for my twists are a rat tail comb, a mini comb, an afro pick, a spray bottle, hair ties and hair clips, Jamaican castor oil, and the gel I'll be using today is the Gorilla Snot gel, the yellow bottle. So I'm going to start off like I always do by picking out my hair. Then I'm going to moisturize my scalp by applying some Jamaican castor oil to it before I start the twist. Then I'm going to separate my hair into sections to make it easier to twist. You want to make sure you apply a little water to your hair to give it a little more moisture, and also so there won't be a lot of gel buildup before twisting. So at this point I've done about 60% of my head. I thought it would be easier to show my twisting process when I got to the front. Because of the S curl in my hair, my twists are coming out a little more straight than you normally would if my hair was natural. After dampening your hair, you want to apply a little gel and start twisting with the comb. I'm clearly failing at that right now, so I will start twisting it with the comb to get a tight twist, then I would finish off the twists with my hands, which worked out. Usually when people do front twists, they twist the hair so it can fall to the back, but I decided to make it fall towards the front. And then I just clip the twist so it can keep its tightness. Then I just continue that process until my whole head is finished. And this is the final results.
That's the process I did to get these twists. A few side notes. I did my twists a little bigger than I guess how some people do it. I like them this size. I know if I would have did it a little smaller, it'll be a little bit more full on my head, but I like them this size. Like I said, you know, on the back half of my head, I did it with my fingers, the whole thing, because I can't see the twist no comb back there. And then up here, you know, I kind of started each twist with the comb, but then it got confusing, and then so I like finished it with my fingers. Sometime in the future, I'm probably gonna, you know, switch it up, maybe get some braids instead of twists. The ASAP Rocky type braids, I was trying to hold off on doing that video because I wanted my hair to get a little longer. And so now, you know, my hair is getting a little length, so I'm probably gonna do that video pretty soon. And then also, you know, just at night, you know, when you're going to sleep, you could just tie it. Like I'll tie it with this scarf, like on my head, just to keep it like fresh. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like my twists. They look longer than my previous video. Subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel for more hair tutorials and hair tips. And then click the bell so that you guys will know like when I upload a video. I'll see you guys in my next video.